In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GPU droplet on DigitalOcean. Start by signing into your DigitalOcean dashboard. Once you're in, head to the projects area. Organizing your resources by project keeps things tidy and helps with permissions and billing later. If you don't already have a project set up for this work, you can create a new one now. Give it a clear name and description so you'll recognize it at a glance in the future. With your project open, look to the top of the page and click the Create button. From the menu that appears, choose Droplets. That takes you to the droplet creation page where we'll make all the choices that define your GPU server. The first choice is region. Pick a region that's geographically close to you or to your users for lower latency. Availability matters here. GPU plans aren't offered in every region, so if you don't see a GPU option later, try switching to another nearby region where GPUs are supported. Next, select a data center within that region. This is a more granular location, and in some cases, GPU capacity can vary between data centers. If a specific data center shows limited availability, selecting a different one in the same region can help. Now, choose your image, which is the operating system or base template. For most machine learning and GPU workloads, a recent Ubuntu LTS image is a reliable, well-supported choice. If you prefer a pre-configured environment, check the marketplace images that bundle popular AI frameworks. Just be sure you understand what's included so you're not installing duplicate drivers or tools later. Move on to size. This is where you select the GPU plan. Look for the GPU optimized options. They'll show the amount of GPU memory, attached vCPUs, and RAM. Pick a configuration that matches your workload. Larger models or training jobs typically need more GPU memory and system RAM, while light inference tasks can run on smaller configurations. Keep cost in mind, since GPU instances are premium resources. If you're unsure, start with a plan that meets your minimum requirements and scale up as needed. You'll also see CPU options. Even though you're provisioning a GPU droplet, the CPU still matters for data pre-processing and orchestration. Dedicated CPU options provide consistent performance and are recommended for production or heavy workloads. If you're running sporadic or light jobs, a shared CPU option may be fine. If your dataset or checkpoints are large, consider adding additional block storage. Volumes are flexible and can be resized or attached to other droplets later, which makes them great for separating persistent data from the compute instance. If you don't add storage now, you can still attach a volume after the droplet is created. Decide whether to enable automatic backups. Backups add a small percentage to the monthly cost, but they can save you time and stress if you need to roll back changes. If your work is critical or frequently updated, turning backups on is a good safety net. Choose your authentication method. SSH keys are the recommended option for security and convenience. If you already have a key saved in your account, select it here. If not, you can add a new public key from your machine so you can connect without using a password. Keep your private key secure and avoid sharing it anywhere. Before creating the droplet, finalize the details. Give the droplet a descriptive host name, add tags to group-related resources, and confirm the project it belongs to. Review networking options like VPC for private networking and IPv6 if you need it. This is also a good moment to double-check the region and size in case GPU availability changed while configuring. When everything looks right, click Create Droplet. DigitalOcean will start provisioning your GPU instance. In a minute or two, you'll see it appear with a public IP address and a status indicator. From there, you can connect over SSH, update your system packages, and proceed with installing the necessary GPU drivers and libraries or pulling your container images. That's all it takes to spin up a GPU droplet on DigitalOcean, ready for training, fine-tuning, or fast inference.